Alright, welcome back, kitties. It's Mrs. Stewart. Okay, graphing. This is my favorite part. Woo woo. Okay, let me get my pen. I just messed that up. Sorry. Okay, so the intercept is 0, 3. And the slope, that negative goes on top, is -2, 3. Remember, start with the y-intercept. It's always on y. That's where it goes. Down 2 to the right 3. Woo! And that's all there is. Isn't that fun? Awesome. Okay, we're still graphing, and the y-intercept is 0, -6, and the slope is 4 over 1. Now you have to be careful on this one because it goes by 2, so I'm going to put little hash marks in there so I know where the 1's are, so I can do the slope better. There we go. Now I'm at 0, -6, so that would be here. And then up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. And then I'm going to do it again. Up 4 over 1. It's kind of weird, but anyway, that's the way it is. And there you go. Yeah. Solving. Who doesn't love solving? Okay, put the x's together. And I always put a 1 on there. So this would be 5x. minus 3 equals 2. Add the 3. There we go. We get 5x equals 5. Divide. X equals 1. Yes, I love solving. Okay, more solving. You have to be careful though. It's a -5. So when I distribute, I have to pay attention to that. So -5 times x, -5 times -1. So the 3x just drops down. -5 times x is -5x. -5 times -1 is +5 equals 11. We have to collect them like terms. These are the only like terms because they're on the same side of the equal sign. So that'll give us -2x plus 5 equals 11. Then we'll minus the 5, and we'll get -2x equals 6. Divided by -2, x equals -3. Woo-hoo! Cool beans. Okay, so again, I don't ever remember the rules, but 90 degrees clockwise means it goes here. I do know x and y changes its place, so... And to be in quadrant 3, the y has to be negative. So when I bring the 2 over here, it has to change to be negative. And then the y would stay the same sign. So you would have -3, -2 as the point. So there it is. And that's how I figure out the rules. Okay. I don't have a good memory. Bye. Oh, reflections. You gotta love reflections. But I don't love this one. I have to mark the axis because the numbers are kind of weird on this, so I want to make sure I understand where the axis system is. And I'm reflecting across the y. That means this line, so it's b is 2 units away, so b is 2 units away. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, a is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then c is in this corner, and that's how you do it. Just like that. Nice. Alright, vectors are just as fun as reflections. So the 2 means 2 right. And then the -1 means 1 down. Okay, this is x and this is y. Moving in the x direction and the y direction. 1, 2, 1. That's where b goes. 1, 2, 1. That's where c goes. 1, 2, 1. That's where A goes. Now it's translated. Cool. Alright, all your favorite stuff to do, distance. Okay, so, sorry about that little thing. I hope you didn't get sick. So you can do the distance formula, which is you subtract the x's, and then you square it, and then you subtract the y's, and then you square it. Okay, that's the distance formula. or you can do Pythagoras. And y'all know which one I prefer. I prefer Pythagoras. Alright, so now I just count. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 6 squared plus 9 squared equals c squared. So I get my handy dandy calculator and I get the square of that. It's not 2 times 6, it's 6 times 6. So now I'll have 117 equals c squared. I will take the square root of both sides. Once you do that, you have no square root on the c, and 117 stays in the square root. And there you have it. Nice.